Imagine coming home to a perfectly balanced humidity level, all thanks to the latest eco-friendly smart dehumidifiers. These cutting-edge appliances utilize solar energy to power their efficient operations, drastically cutting down on electricity consumption, while they work quietly to remove excess moisture from the air. The intelligent sensors embedded within these dehumidifiers automatically adjust their settings to maintain optimal humidity levels, ensuring a healthier indoor environment without constant manual adjustments. Made from recycled materials, they not only perform exceptionally, but also contribute to reducing household carbon footprints. By integrating with smart home systems, these devices provide real-time data insights, enabling eco-conscious homeowners to monitor air quality and adopt sustainable living practices seamlessly into their daily routines.